What if your Christmas flowers could do more than decorate your home? What if they could tell a story? Imagine walking into a room and seeing soft roses mingling with pine, holly berries sparkling, beside white lilies and a touch of evergreen that smells like winter itself. Every petal, every leaf, every bit of texture working together to whisper one thing: Christmas is here. Flowers have always been the silent language of emotion, and during the holidays, they take on a special role, bringing life, color, and spirit into every corner. Whether it's your dining table, entryway, or windowsill, the right floral arrangement can turn an ordinary space into a breathtaking celebration. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning Christmas flower arrangements. Whether your style is rustic and natural, modern and elegant, or dreamy and romantic, get ready to make your home bloom with holiday warmth. Why are flowers such a beautiful part of Christmas decor? Flowers are the heartbeats of any festive space. They carry warmth, freshness, and life into the stillness of winter. In a season filled with metallics, glitter, and sparkle, flowers bring something organic, a gentle reminder of nature's grace amid all the glamour. Christmas flowers symbolize more than beauty. They represent joy, hope, and renewal, exactly what this season is all about. Red roses remind us of love, white lilies of peace, and evergreen branches of endurance. When arranged thoughtfully, they become more than decorations. They become poetry in color. Flowers also balance the energy of your home. Their softness offsets the sharp edges of ornaments and garlands. Their fragrance wraps around the senses, and their presence brings calm into the chaos of holiday preparation. Whether you're hosting guests, cooking for family, or simply curling up by the fire, fresh blooms instantly lift the atmosphere. They don't shout for attention. They quietly breathe life into every room. And when they're chosen with intention, they make your home feel alive, elegant, and full of meaning. If you believe flowers are the soul of Christmas decor, hit that like button. Let's fill your home with beauty and joy. How do you choose the right flowers for your Christmas arrangement? The magic begins with selection. Choosing the right flowers is like picking the colors for a painting. Each one adds emotion and depth. Start with a base that speaks of the season. Evergreens like pine, fir, and cedar give structure and fragrance. Their deep green tones symbolize life even in the heart of winter, and their texture anchors everything else in the arrangement. Next, add your hero flowers, the ones that will draw the eye. Red roses are timeless. Their velvety petals bring passion and tradition. White lilies, amaryllis, and poinsettias add elegance and purity, while chrysanthemums and carnations bring fullness and volume. If you want something unique, try ranunculus, anemones, or tulips for a softer, romantic touch. Then comes the magic of contrast. Berries, seed pods, and branches. Holly berries, red hypericum, or even cranberries tucked between petals add that classic pop of Christmas cheer. Eucalyptus, silver brunia, or dusty miller lend a silvery softness that feels frosted and serene. Finally, consider fragrance. A mix of pine, rosemary, and winter jasmine can turn your arrangement into an aromatic experience. Because the perfect Christmas bouquet doesn't just look stunning, it smells like the season itself. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed guides on choosing flowers and styling arrangements all year round. How can you create a natural and rustic Christmas flower arrangement? Rustic arrangements celebrate imperfection, the beauty of nature exactly as it is. They're warm, earthy, and comforting, like a Christmas spent in a cozy cabin. Start with a natural container, a wooden box, a ceramic jug, or even a galvanized metal pot. Fill it with a mix of pine branches, cedar sprigs, and ivy for texture. Let them spill slightly over the edges. That loose, organic look feels inviting and effortless. Now weave in your flowers. Use soft reds and whites. Roses, carnations, and chrysanthemums work beautifully here. Mix them with sprigs of berries or small pine cones for contrast. The secret is asymmetry. Let one side be a little fuller, one flower a little higher. Nature isn't perfect. That's what makes it charming. You can add a touch of warmth by including dried elements, cinnamon sticks, cotton stems, or wheat stalks. These little details give depth and a nostalgic winter scent. For the finishing touch, tie a jute ribbon or burlap bow around the vase. It instantly grounds the arrangement in rustic simplicity. A rustic arrangement feels like a hug, familiar, textured, and deeply comforting. It's the kind of decor that makes your guests feel instantly at home. Check the description for the exact rustic vases and natural materials featured in this video. How can you create an elegant and luxurious Christmas flower arrangement? Elegance is all about balance, the perfect mix of grace, restraint, and glow. A luxurious Christmas arrangement should feel timeless and elevated, like something straight out of a holiday film set in a grand winter estate. Start with a sleek, tall vase or a glass bowl with a metallic rim. Choose a limited palette, perhaps white and gold, or deep burgundy with hints of champagne. The goal is to create depth through tone, not excess. For structure, use eucalyptus or cedar. Their soft shapes add sophistication. Then bring in white lilies or amaryllis for their dramatic presence. Add roses in complementary shades, ivory, blush, or crimson depending on your theme. Texture is key. Tuck in soft feathers, metallic branches, or even gold-painted eucalyptus leaves for shimmer. Small ornaments or pearl beads can be nestled between blooms for subtle opulence. Finish with candlelight. Placing your arrangement beside tall taper candles or a mirrored tray amplifies the glow and makes everything feel dreamlike. The reflection of light on petals and glass creates that gentle, ethereal sparkle, the hallmark of luxury. A well-balanced, elegant arrangement doesn't overpower the room. It enhances it. Quiet confidence wrapped in fragrance and beauty. For more elegant Christmas styling inspiration, check out my holiday centerpiece and table decor playlist in the description below. How do you mix fresh and dried flowers for a lasting Christmas arrangement? Combining fresh and dried flowers gives you the best of both worlds, the fragrance and vitality of the present, with the lasting beauty of preservation. Start with a base of evergreens or eucalyptus to add fragrance and freshness. Then introduce dried flowers like lavender, wheat, or hydrangeas to bring texture and color that won't fade as quickly. Dried citrus slices or preserved berries can also add pops of color that feel authentically festive. The key is contrast. Let the dried elements create structure while the fresh blooms provide softness. Roses and amaryllis work wonderfully alongside dried accents because they retain elegance even as they age. You can also spray your dried pieces lightly with gold or silver paint for a hint of glamour. The shimmer against natural textures creates a balance of rustic and refined, perfect for Christmas. This kind of arrangement lasts longer than an all-fresh bouquet and evolves beautifully over time. As petals dry and branches settle, it gains a vintage, nostalgic charm that tells a story of the season passing gently by. Don't forget to share this video if you love the timeless beauty of mixed floral designs. How can you make a small Christmas flower arrangement look impactful? Not every home needs a grand floral display. Sometimes, the smallest arrangements carry the most charm, especially when they're placed with intention. Start with small vessels like mason jars, teacups, or glass bottles. These cozy containers immediately make the arrangement feel personal and heartfelt. Group them together in threes for balance, a few on the counter, a couple by the window, or one on each step of a staircase. Use miniature blooms like spray roses, baby's breath, or mini carnations. Add sprigs of pine or eucalyptus to give them a Christmas touch. A single red flower among whites can make a small bouquet pop with color. For extra magic, tie ribbons around the jars, velvet for luxury, plaid for warmth, or satin for simplicity. And don't forget placement. A small arrangement on a bedside table, bathroom counter, or kitchen windowsill brings unexpected joy to everyday corners. Small doesn't mean simple, it means thoughtful. A single bloom, when placed with love, can light up an entire room. Like these cozy ideas? Check the description for mini vase sets and easy DIY materials used in this video. How can you make your flower arrangement smell like Christmas? A floral arrangement that delights the eyes is beautiful, but one that fills the air with scent is unforgettable. To create that perfect Christmas fragrance, layer natural scents thoughtfully. Start with evergreens like pine or fir. Their aroma is crisp and grounding. Mix in sprigs of rosemary or thyme for a subtle herbal note that feels fresh and earthy. Then add flowers that complement those tones. White lilies, roses, or even freesias offer a soft, sweet perfume. You can also enhance scent using dried elements like cinnamon sticks, star anise, or orange peels tucked discreetly between the flowers. If you want a stronger fragrance, lightly mist the leaves or base of your arrangement with essential oils like clove, cedarwood, or vanilla. Just be careful to avoid the petals. When guests enter the room and catch that faint blend of pine, spice, and floral sweetness, they don't just see Christmas, they breathe it in. Check the description for my favorite essential oils and naturally scented florals used in this video. And that's how you create Christmas flower arrangements that do more than just decorate. They transform your home into a living, breathing celebration. Every petal, every scent, every bit of greenery adds warmth and wonder. Flowers connect us to nature, to memory, and to emotion, the very heart of Christmas itself. So whether you fill your home with grand bouquets or simple jars of winter blooms, remember that each flower is a message. A reminder of beauty, hope, and love in the coldest time of year. This holiday season, let your flowers tell your story. Let them fill your home with color, scent, and soul. Because when your home blooms, your spirit does too. Merry Christmas. May your home be filled with petals, light, and low.